Question number 31. 31 to 35 table are given. Villages and days are given. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio between the total number of people visiting all the 4 places together on Monday to Tuesday? Total Monday value and total Tuesday value. First 200 plus 400 plus 300 plus 150. 1050. Next Tuesday 500 plus 250. 750 plus 180. 930 or not? 930 plus 330. 1260 or not? 0 cancel or not? 7. 105 and 126. 105 and 126. 7 how many times? 15. 7 how many times? 1, 8 or not? 15 by 18 means 5:6 or not? Next question number 32. What is the total number of people visited Kondaveedu all the 5 days together or not? Means sum of the 5 days values of Kondaveedu or not? First 200 plus 500 plus 100 plus 160, 960 plus 390, 1350. Next question number 33. What is the difference between the total number of people visited Kondapalli on Friday and Saturday together to Bandar on Monday and Tuesday together? Kondapalli on Friday 230, Saturday 200. What is the sum? 430. Next Bandar on Monday 300, Tuesday 180. Sum is 480. Difference 50. Next question number 34. Total number of people visiting all the 4 villages together on Saturday and Sunday together or not? Okay. Saturday and Sunday together. First we are adding all the Saturday values and Sunday values or not? Okay. 160 plus 390, 550 or not? 200 plus 900, 200 plus 700, 900. 360 plus 450, 810. 270 plus 320, 590 or not? Okay. Last two are adding 1400 or not? 1400 plus 900, 2300 plus 550, 2850. Next 35. The total number of people visiting all the 4 places together on Wednesday is 20% more than the people visiting all the 4 places together on Tuesday. Then find the total number of visitors on Wednesday. Already we know the total Tuesday value. What is the total Tuesday value? 1260. Compared to this one, how much percent or more? 20% more or not? In first question we are already done in Tuesday value or not? What is the Tuesday total value? 1260. Compared to this one, 20% more. 10%, 126. 20%, 252 or not? Adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 1512. Next question number 36. 2 pipes A and B can fill together a tank in 16 minutes, 14 minutes respectively or not? 2 pipes A and B can fill together a tank in 16 minutes and 14 minutes respectively. Means A can fill how many minutes? 16 minutes. B 14 minutes. Both are open together and after 4 minutes, which one are closed? A is closed. And that find the total time which tank will be filled or not? Starting to ending, which pipe are open? B is open. Means B time will be equal to total time or not? Yes or no? B is open time, it is also equal to total time or not? What is the 1 minute work of A? 1 by 16. It is open for 4 minutes. 4 minutes how much part are filled? 1 by 4 or not? 1 by 4. What is the remaining tank? 3 by 4 or not? That 3/4 are filled by only B or not? Yes or no? B how much time are taken? What is the B total time? 14 minutes or not? Okay, 2 sevens are 2 twos are. It is 21 by 2 or not? 21 by 2 means B is open for how many minutes? 21 by 2 minutes. Means total time also how many minutes? 21 by 2 or not? Then answer first option or not? Next question number 37. The respective ratio in the present age of Arudra and Ananya is how much? 2:3. Ananya is 11 years younger than which one? Anusha. Anusha age after 9 years will be 47 years. What is the present age of Arudra father who is 29 years older than Arudra? First, Anusha after 9 years will be how much? 47. After 9 years 47 means present 38. Anusha present value 38. And Ananya is 11 years younger than which one? Anusha. Already Anusha 38. 11 years are younger means Ananya will be 27. That 27 is represents how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts are 27. Then Arudra is how many parts? 2 parts. Arudra is 2 parts means 18 years or yes or no? Okay. What is the question here? What is the present age of Arudra father who is 29 years older than which one? Arudra. Already Arudra 18. 29 years older means the answer 47. That is Arudra father. Next question number 38. A and B started a business with investments in the ratio of 5:8. What is the investment ratio? 5:8. At the end of the 8 months from the start of the business, A left. If A shared, the total annual profit was 3,200. Here starting to ending, which one capital are used? B capital. What is the total time period? 12 months. B time period is how many months? 12 months. A time period 8 months. Because A left after 8 months or not? Yes or no? 8 gets cancelled. What is the profits ratio? 5:12 or not? What the A profit are given? 3,200. 5 parts is 3,200. What is the question here? Total annual profit. How many parts we need? 17 parts or not? Okay. 5 how many times? 6, 4, 0 or not? 17 into 640. End with 80 or not? End with 80. How many options are end with 80? Only one option or second option? 10,080. Next question number 39. The perimeter of a rectangle is how much? 140 and the difference between the adjacent sides is 30 meters. Find the side of a square whose area is equal to the area of a rectangle. First, perimeter of a rectangle means 2 of L plus B. What is the 2 of L plus B? 140. Then L plus B 70. Next, one more are given. Difference between the adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides of a rectangle? Length and breadth. Difference nothing but L minus B equal to how much? 30. These two are adding by 2. We are get the L value. Subtracting by 2. We are get the B value. Then length is how much? 50. Breadth is 20. Yes or no? What is the question here? Find the side of a square whose area is equal to the which one? Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle A square, it is equal to L into B value. 50 into 20, 1000. The 1000 equal to A square. Then A equal to how much? 10 root 10. Okay. Which option? Fifth option. What is the area of a square? A square. A square equal to L into B. Then A value 10 root 10. A nothing but side of a square. Next question number 40. A man walks from P to Q and back in a certain time at the rate of 3.5 km/h. But if he had walked from P to Q at the rate of 3 km/h and back from Q to P at the rate of 4 km/h, per hour, he would have taken 5 minutes longer. Nothing but 5 minutes are more or less? More. What is the question here? Find the distance between P and Q. Okay. We required which one distance? P and Q distance. Suppose P and Q distance we are consider d kilometers. P and Q distance are d kilometers. What is the first point? A man walks from P to Q and back in a certain time at the rate of which one? 3.5 kilometer per hour. Means P to Q distance d, that is multiple of which one? 3.5 hour. Because distance by speed we are get the timer. Yes or no? Means distance must be multiple of which one? 3.5 hour. Because if distance value written, speed value denominator 100. Distance d, speed value 3.5, means numerator must be multiple of denominator 100. Yes or no? Then answer must be multiple of 3.5. How many options? Only one option 100. Yes or no? Or P to Q distance we are consider d kilometers. P to Q distance d kilometers means Q to P also d kilometers. P to Q covered d kilometers distance with a speed of how much? 3.5. And the returns from Q to P also same distance are covered with a speed of how much? 3.5. Okay. P to Q distance d kilometers, speed value 7/2. Distance by speed we are get the time in P to Q plus again Q to P distance is how much? D kilometers, speed value 7/2. These two are adding, we are get the time in first case or not? Yes or no? P to Q and Q to P equal distances, equal speed or different speed? Equal speed. It is first case. What is the second one? But if we had walked from P to Q at the rate of which one? 3 kilometer per hour and back from Q to P at the rate of which one? 4 kilometer per hour. Means different speeds are not. P to Q d kilometers with a speed of which one? 3 kilometer per hour, and the returns from Q to P same d kilometers but with a speed of how much? 4 kilometer per hour. P to Q distance d kilometers, speed value 300 plus again Q to P distance d kilometers, speed value 400. These two are adding, we are get the time in second case or first case? Second case or not? Then second case time compared to first case time, how many minutes are longer? 5 minutes longer. Nothing but difference in these two times equal to how many minutes? 5 minutes or not? Equal to 5/60 or not? Yes or no? If P to Q and Q to P same speeds, we are get the certain time or not? Okay, but P to Q speed different, Q to P speed are different. We are taken how many minutes are extra? 5 minutes more or 5 minutes less? 5 minutes more. Means compared to original time, new time 5 minutes are more or not? Solving this one we are get the d value or not? First, first fraction 4 into d, 3 into d. Total it is 7d/12 or not? Minus 2d by 7 plus 2d by 7. It is 4d/7 or not? 4d/7. That is equal to 5/60 or not? Cross multiplication 7 7s are how much? 49. 12 4s are 48. Difference is d by 12 into 7. That is equal to 1/12 or not? 12 12 get cancelled or not? Then d equal to how many kilometers? 7 kilometers or not? Next question number 41. A man traveled a distance of 120 kilometers in how many hours? 8 hours. Partly on foot at the rate of 10 kilometer per hour and partly on the bike at the rate of 20 kilometer per hour. Then the distance traveled in the biker. Okay. First of all, what is the total distance are given? 120. Total time 8 hours. Okay. Total distance is split into two parts or only one part? Two parts. First case, some distance are covered on foot, and second case, some distance are covered on biker. Means one case d1, another one d2. d1 plus d2 equal to how many kilometers? 120 kilometers. total distance is split into two parts or only one part? Two parts. Suppose total 120 kilometers are covered with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much time are taken? 12 hours or no? Okay. If total distance 120 kilometers are covered with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, how much time are taken? 12 hours or no? Next, the same 120 kilometers with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour, how much time are taken? 6 hours or no? 6 hours or no? 6 hours. One case 120 kilometers, how much time are taken? 12 hours. The same 120 kilometers, another case how much time are taken? 6 hours. But overall 120 kilometers are covered in how many hours? 8 hours or no? By using alligation concept, what is the maximum time to cover the distance of 120 kilometers? 12 hours. Minimum time to cover the distance of 120 kilometers? 6 hours. What is the overall time to cover the distance of 120 kilometers? 8 hours. Sir. Solving these three values, we are get the ratio between distance of first one and distance of second one. What is the difference between 12 and 8? 4. What is the difference between 8 and 6? 2. What is the ratio? 1:2 or not? Distance ratio 1:2. Total how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts equal to how many kilometers? 120. One part are 40. First one 40, second one 80 or not? What is the question here? Bike distance or car distance? Bike distance or not? How many kilometers? 80. Or one more method. Suppose first case distance we written x, second one distance 120 minus x or bike distance are x kilometers, first one is foot. Suppose bike distance are x kilometers, foot distance are 120 minus x. What is the bike speed? Bike speed 20. Then we written x by 20. Next, 120 minus x on foot speed is how much? 10 kilometer per hour. Divide by 10. Okay. X by 20 means distance by speed. 120 minus x by 10 means it is distance by speed. Nothing but time in foot case, time in bike case. Both are adding total time. Total time how many hours? 8 hours. Solving this one, we are get the x value. Yes or no? Time in bike, time in foot, both are adding total time or not? What is the total time? 8 hours. Solving this one, we are get the x value. What is the LCM? 20. 20 how many times? 1 time means x. 10 how many times? 2 times. 2 into 120, 240 minus 2x or not? That is equal to 8. 8 into 20, 160. 240, 160 difference? 80. Then x equal to 80 or not? Okay. Next question number 42. A vessel contains milk and water in the ratio of which one? 2:3. When 60 liters of mixture is taken out and completely replaced by which one? Milk. Then milk becomes how much? 400% of the water in the vessel. Then find the original quantity of vessel. Initially milk is how many parts? 2 parts. Water 3 parts. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Out of the 5 parts, how many liters are taken? 60 liters. Means 5 parts 60 liters or not? Or the 1 part? 12 liters. 2 parts 24. 3 parts 36 or not? Means out of 22 parts 24 liters are removed. Out of 3 parts 36 liters are removed or not? Again it is completely replaced by which one? Milk or not? Means we are adding same quantity of milk or not? How many liters are taken? 60. And it is replaced by 60 liters of milk or not? Then we are adding plus 60 or minus 60? Plus 60. After adding plus 60, we are get the milk and water ratio or not? But here milk becomes 400% of the which one? Water. Suppose water is 1 part, milk is how many parts? 4 parts or not? Yes or no? Solving this one, we are get the 1 part value. After that we required 5 parts or not? Okay, 24 and 60 difference, 36. Then we return 2 parts minus 36 into 100. Cross multiplication, 4 3s are how much? 12 parts minus 144 plus or minus plus 36. 2 parts plus 36 equal to 12 parts minus 144. What is the difference between 12 parts and 2 parts? 10 parts. That is equal to 144 plus 3600. Then every 1 part equal to how much? 10 parts equal to how much? 180. But we required how many parts? Sum of the how many parts? 5 parts or not? Means it is almost half content or not? How many liters? 90 liters or not? Next question number 43. PQ are situated at the bank of a river which is flowing at a constant rate. Q is at an equal distances with P and R. A swimmer Rajesh takes 12 hours to swim from point P to Q and Q to P. Also he takes 6 hours to swim from P to R downstream. What is the ratio of the speed of the Rajesh in still water and speed of the streamer? And here P to R, 2 points are only 1 point. 2 points. One is P, another one R. And Q is at an equal distance with P and R. Means your middle point are Q or not. Okay. P to Q distance D kilometers. Q to R distance also D kilometers or not. What is the next point? A swimmer Rajesh takes 12 hours to swim from P to Q and Q to P. P to Q D kilometers and Q to P also D kilometers. But total how many hours are taken? 12 hours or not? But P to Q means it is downstream or upstream? P to Q downstream. P to Q downstream and return Q to P upstream or not? Downstream means we return D by M plus S or not? Again return from Q to P, how much distance are covered? Same D kilometers but with a speed of M minus S or not? These two are adding, we are getting the total time P to Q and Q to P. How many hours? 12 hours or not? Yes or no? Next, it is first point. What is the second one are given? Also he takes 6 hours to swim from P to R downstream. P to R downstream. P to R downstream means P to R nothing but P to Q and Q to R. Total how much distance are travelled? 2D or not? D plus D how much? 2D. The 2D are covered in downstream motion or upstream motion? Downstream motion. Then we return 2D by M plus S equal to how many hours? 6 hours or not? Yes or no? 2D by M plus S equal to 6 hours. 2 how many times? 3 times or not? Then D by M plus S equal to how much? 3. In place of D by M plus S, we are substitute how much value? 3. Then D by M minus S equal to how much? 9 or not? Yes or no? In second one, 2D by M plus S equal to how much? 6. Then D by M plus S is how much? 3. Substitute the D by M plus S value in first equation. We are get the D by M minus S value or not? Yes or no? Okay. Next. Then D by M plus S. D by M plus S is how much? 3 or 4? 3. D by M minus S? 9 or not? This one I written M plus S into 3 equal to M minus S into 9 or not? What is the meaning? Speed into time, speed into time. Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. Actually D by M plus S equal to how much value? 3 now? D by M minus S equal to how much value? 9 or not? This one I written D equal to 3 into M plus S, D equal to 9 into M minus S or not? Equal distance or different distances? Equal distances or not? Question లో ఉన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం అవడం కోసం లెంతీగా రాశాను. ఓకే 3 how many times? 3 times or not? Okay. M plus S equal to 3 times of M minus S or M by S it is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 అన్నాడు. What is the downstream speed? 3 parts. Upstream speed 1 part. Then we required m value, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2. Adding by 2. Suppose we required s value, both are subtracting by 2 అన్నాడు. Okay. What is the left hand side? M plus s. Right hand side 3m minus 3s అన్నాడు. Okay. This one we written 2m equal to how much? 4s అన్నాడు. Then m by s equal to 2:1 అన్నాడు. Okay. What is the time ratio? 1:3 అన్నాడు. Time ratio 1:3. Then speeds ratio 3:1 అన్నాడు. Downstream speed 3 parts, upstream speed 1 part. Then speed of the boat and speed of the stream are both are adding by 2, both are subtracting by 2. 3 plus 1 4 by 2 means 2 parts. 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 2 means 1 part. Okay. When distance is constant, speed and time both are in inversely proportional, directly proportional. Inversely proportional. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది అనిపిస్తే సరిపోదు, దాని వెనకాల ఉన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ కదా మనకు కావాల్సింది, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. మెయిన్స్లో మీకు అదే ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 44. A student finds the average of the numbers, average of 10 numbers of 2 digits or only 1 digit. 2 digits means all the 10 numbers are 2 digit numbers are. Okay. However, he wrongly copied one number by exchanging its digits are. Means one number it exchanging its digits means originally it is AB, interchanging means BR, and therefore he gets the answer 2.7 less than the correct answer. Means compared to original answer, how much value or less are getting? 2.7 less. If after exchanging digits we are get the new answer, that new answer compared to original answer, how much value are lesser? 2.7 lesser. What will be the difference of the digits he wrongly put or not? Okay. 2.7 is multiplied by 10. How much? 27. Divide by 9. 3. That is answer. What is the number of, what is the total numbers? 10 numbers. What is the sum difference? 2.7. Multiplied by 10 we are get the total sum difference or not? What is the total sum difference? 27. It is divided by 9, we are getting how much? 3. Okay. First, total how many numbers? 10 numbers or not? Suppose 10 numbers average is A. What is the sum of the 10 numbers? 10 into A or not? What is the number of observations? 10. Average value A. Sum is 10 into A or not? That is equal to 9 observations sum plus 10th observation or not? Yes or no? Left hand side 10 observation sum, that is equal to right hand side 9 observation sum plus one of the number or not? Okay. One of the number means we are consider AB or not? Yes or no? That is 2 digit number or not? 2 digit number means A in which position? Tens position. B in which position? Units position or not? This one I written 10 into A plus 1 into B or not? Yes or no? Okay. Left hand side 10 digits 10 numbers sum, that is equal to right hand side 9 numbers sum plus 10th number or not? Okay. Next. But next time the sum will be decreased by how much? 2.7. Original how many numbers? 10 numbers. Average will be changed A minus 2.7 or A plus 2.7. A minus 2.7. Again we are get the new sum or old sum? New sum. That new sum it is equal to 9 observation sum plus 10th number. But 10th number second time it will be B or AB? B or not? B in which position? Tens position. A in which position? Ones position. Then I written 10 into B plus 1 into A or not? First case how many observation sum? 10 observation sum. Original number. But second time reverse of the digits are not. Means second time it will be B or AB. B or not? Okay. These two difference we need to identify. First equation minus second equation. Left hand side minus 10a and 10a cancel or not? 10 into minus 2.7 minus minus minus. First equation minus second equation. Then we are getting plus 27 or minus 27? Plus 27. That is equal to 9 observation sum, 9 observation sum cancel or not? Yes or no? In left hand side first equation 10a, second equation 10 into a minus 10 into 2.7 or not? Yes or no? 10a cancel. 10 into 2.7 minus 27. But first equation minus second equation means negative of negative. Positive or not? That is equal to 9 observation sum minus 9 observation sum cancel. First one 10a plus 1b. Second one 10b minus a or not? Then we return 9a minus 9b or not? Yes or no? Then this one I return 9 of a minus b equal to how much? 27 or not? 9 how many times? 3 times. A minus b means the difference of the digits or sum of the digits? Difference of the digits. What is the answer? 3 or not? If you understand the concept, the question are easy. How many numbers are changed? Only one number or not? Means sum changes value, it is represents only one that number or not? How much sum are changed? Average 2.7 decrease means sum is changed by 2.7 into 10 or not? How much? 27. That 27 is divided by remaining 9 or not? 27 divided by 9, we are getting how much? 3. That 3 is the difference of the digits of that particular number or not? Okay. Next question number 45. A shopkeeper by selling 26 items earns a profit is equal to the selling price of one item. Then what is the profit person or loss person? Profit person. How many items are sold? 26 items. In that one item already profit or not? Yes or no? Out of 26, one item already profit means how many items are purchased? 25 items or not? Yes or no? How many items are sold? 26. In that how many items are profit? One item profit or not? Remaining how many items? 25. The 25 is the cost or selling? Cost. What is the profit meaning? Selling price minus cost price or not? What is the selling price are given? 26. Profit is given 1. These two are subtracting, we are get the cost or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? Profit person or loss person? Profit person. Means 1 upon which one? 25 into 100. 4% or 5%? 4%. What is the SP value? 26. What is the profit value? 1. These two are subtracting, we are get the cost price or not? Yes or no? Next question number 46. Simplifications. 1024 divide by 2, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 divide by 2, 256. Divide by 2, 126. 128. 128 divide by 2, 64. Divide by 2, 32 or 1024 means it is 2 power 10 or not? And all are in denominators or numerators. Continuation division means all are in denominators product or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2 power 4. Again right hand side 2 into something. This one I return into 2 power 1 equal to something or not? Then answer 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 32 or not? Next question number 47. First priority 40% of 65 or not? What is the 10% of 65? 6.5. 20%, 13. 40%, 26. Square root of 1936, 44. Both are adding 70. Next question number 48. Verify the units position. 3 nines are how much? End with 7. 1 into 2, 2. End with 5. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 5, 14. End with 4. Which option is possible? First option 14. End with 6. Second option end with 6. Third option end with 4. Obviously third one is answer 22 square. I think we are getting square root of 484. Next question number 49. What is the 20% of 160? 32. 7 how many times? 343. 49. 3 into 43. 147. Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. What is the answer? 169. Sorry, 179. 32 kada. 32 plus 147. 179. Next question number 50. First priority 180 by 4. What is the 180 by 4? 45. 14 into 10. 140. Minus 140 or plus 140? Minus 140. Root 9. 3. Next, what is the right hand side value? 32 into 5. 32 5 times 160. Negative 160 becomes positive 160. What is the difference between 160 and 140? 20. Plus 20 again plus 3 what is the total answer? 68. Next 51. First priority left hand side square root of 64 8. 8 get cancelled. Next 28 how many times? 112. 4 times 64 into 4 256. Something into something means it is something square. Then answer something equal to square root of 256. What is the answer? 16. Next 52. First left hand side 9, right hand side also 9 multiples. 9 how many times? 729. 8 1 9 how many times? 36. 4 times. Verify the units position. Okay. In 81 what is the units position? 1. 4 into 54 end with 6. Both are adding end with 7. Only one option. Next question number 53. First priority left hand side fractions. First we are adding the integers. Okay. 4 plus 5 9. Next after that fractions. 3 by 9 means written 6 by 18. Yes or no? In all the cases denominators are same or different? Same. Then directly we are adding numerators, either adding or subtracting. 6 plus 5 11 minus 7 4. This one we written 4 by 18. 4 by 18. 4 by 18 means we written 2 by 9. 6 by 18. 6 plus 5. Just we are take the integers. 4 plus 5 how much? 9. Or the numerator 6 plus 5 11. 11 minus 7 4. 4 by 18. 4 by 18 means 2 by 9. 9 9s are how much? 81 plus 2 83 by 9. It is equal to 498 by something. Okay. 83 almost 6 times. 6 9s are 54. Next, first priority left hand side value. 55% of which one? 360. What is the 50% of 360? 180. 5% 18. Total it is 198. In this one 10 square are subtracting. What is the 10 square? 100. 198 minus 100. 98. That is equal to 40% of something. 40% means written 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 2 how many times? 98. 49. 49 into 5. It is 245. Or verify the 7 multiple. Next question number 55. What is the first one? 7 by 8 into 37, 5 by 7. 730 is how much? 210. 7 7s are 49. 210 plus 49, 259 plus 5, 264 by 7 into how much? 10 by 11. Okay. First 7 7 get cancelled. 11 how many times? 2 times. Again 4 times. 8 almost 3 times. 3 into 10, 30. Plus 30 becomes minus 30. 111 minus 30. 81. It is square of 9. Next question number 56. 4 by 5 into 10 by 7 divide by 2. This one we written into 1 by 2 or not? Into 1 by 2. 5 2s are how much? 10. 10 get cancelled. What is the first fraction? 4 by 7. Left hand side 4 by 7, right hand side 4 by 7 cancelled. Yes or no? Next left hand side negative, right hand side negative cancelled. Again left hand side numerator, right hand side numerator cancel. What is the answer? 14. Next, all are in mixed fractions or not? First we are adding the integers. 5 plus 3, 8. After that, answer must be more than 8 or less than 8. More than 8. Only one option or not? Yes or no? 4 by 7, we written 12 by 21 or not? 12 by 21. In all the cases, denominator are same or different? Same. Directly we are adding numerators or not? 12 plus 1, 13, minus 8. 5 or not? 5 by 21. Which option? Third option. Next 58. What is the square root of 3136? 56. 56. Square root of 3481. 59. Both are adding 125. But we required 125 square or not? Okay. 115. 115 square. 115 square means end with 5 square or not? What is the 5 square? 25. What is the next number of 11? 12. 11 into 12, 132. Then answer 1325. Square of the ending with 5 value or not? Next question number 59. First priority 60% of which one? 95. What is the 10% of 95? 9.5. How many times we need? 6 times or not? 6 9s are 54. 6 into half 3. 54 plus 3. 57 plus 45% of which one? 1320. 45% means we return 50% minus 5% or not? What is the 50% of 1320? 660 minus 66 or not? Yes or no? Minus square root of 676 minus 26 or plus 26? Minus 26. First 60 minus 66 minus 6 or plus 6? 60 minus 66. 60 minus 66 minus 6 or not? Minus 6 minus 26 minus 32. 57 minus 32. 25 or not? Then answer 625. It is square of which one? 25 or not? Okay. 60 66 difference minus 6. Minus 6 minus 26 minus 32. 57 minus 32 25. 625 means it is 25 square. Next question number 60. First verify the last two digits or not? 25 plus 50, 75. 75 cancel or not? Next, after that 53 minus 33. 20 plus 20 or minus 20? Plus 20. Plus 20 plus 37. 57. 57 minus 76 or not? Yes or no? What is the difference? Minus 19 or plus 19? Minus 19. Then answer should end with 8 1 error. How many options? Only first option error. Minus 19 means we written 100 minus 19. Answer should end with 81.